Aries. This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta ang mga Aries? Kamusta? Anong meron? Anong bago? Anong paulit-ulit na ginagawa? This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of June. Collective energy ng mga Aries, please. Collective energy ng mga Aries. Reminder, ang nag-iisang account na may sigsayan ay kay Angeles 11. Any messages coming from a different account, hindi ko ako yun. Mag-ingat sa scammers. Aries, let's see. Kabuhayan, kapirahan, pamilya, relasyon, kaibigan, mga taong nakapaligid. Anong meron? Communication in reverse? Meron bang misunderstanding? You're trying to manifest a communication. There is a masculine in this connection, in this reading, na nagmamanifest ng pag-uusap, but hindi niya alam kung paano niya i-execute. This masculine energy feels so defeated because meron siyang like offer of explanation, apology, offer of love sa isang tao, but parang hindi niya mabuo ang kanyang lakas ng loob. Okay, I feel nagfo-focus ang ating mga Aries sa kaperahan, maraming gastos, pero tanggap mo naman na parang wala ka magagawa eh. Andyan ang bills, andyan ang mga unexpected na expenses, okay? No matter how much na, I feel meron namang enough. This is like hard-earned money mo, mga kinita mo in the past, but may mga lumabas na pera, medyo malaki yan. And sabi mo, sige, ayusin na lang. Marami kang iniisip about kung paano mo makuha yung Wheel of Fortune. Malaking blessing para sa'yo. And meron kang iniisip na isang tao, trabaho man to or love connection na makakatulong sa'yo para ma-achieve mo yung abundance, yung Wheel of Fortune na gusto mo. Or it's like taong makakatulong sa'yo to decide sa negosyo, sa trabaho. Or isang tao na iniisip mo to be in a partnership with. Or isang love connection na alam mong makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? Wheel of Fortune, anything favorable para sa'yo. Two of Swords, making a decision about a partnership, business, or love. Okay. Pamilya, kumpanya, nakakapagod because it feels like ang daming gastos. Ang daming obligasyon, maraming lumabas na pera. May pag-uusap, hindi nagkakaintindihan ang masculine at feminine. May pag-uusap na parang sabihin natin bad news, hindi magandang balita. Usapan tungkol sa pera, investment, gastos. But sabi mo okay lang yan, hindi naman yan matatakasan. Kailangan lang kumbaga itaguyod, okay? Or for you to chase victory or solusyon sa mga problema na to. Ilalaban mo naman yan. Ilalaban mo yung victory na yan. For now, minsan you feel empowered, sometimes you feel kayang-kaya, but minsan, no, parang pinapanghinaan ka ng loob kung malulusutan mo pa to. Nagkaroon ka rin ng mga maling decision in handling contracts, trabaho, kaya parang nagkaroon ng delays pagdating sa financial stability or manifestation. You're using your wisdom about this life situation para magkaroon ng positive transformation. Okay? May mga na-reveal sa'yo na hindi mo gusto at sabi mo is hahanap ka ng solusyon para makatulong sa better life transformation na gusto mo. Okay? May mga pinagdadaanan ang ating Aries. Pamilya, bad news, pera, malaking gastos, negosyo, mishandled finances, mga hindi na close na deal, promotion na hindi nakuha. You feel stuck right now sa buhay mo. Sabi mo kailan ba malalagpasan ang mga challenges na to. Maraming iniisip, kung kailan to malulusutan. May mga trust issues pagdating sa relasyon. May nai-involve ba na iba? The feminine in this connection is overthinking kung may nai-involve din na third party sa kanyang masculine. But right now, it feels like both of you, feminine and masculine sa connection na to, mahalaga naman kayo sa bawat isa. Pero sabi nyo parang mas kailangan mo nang mag-focus sa kaperahan kabuhayan. Maraming minamanifest tungkol sa financial stability, especially yung feminine sa connection na to. You might be dealing with a Capricorn, Cancer, Aqua. Okay. Marami kang pinagdadasal na wish fulfillment. Sabi mo sana dumating na yung magagandang blessing na yan sa buhay mo. Nalulungkot ka, no? Kasi parang maraming pinagdaan ng challenges recently. Right now, meron kang gustong gawing impulsive move. Feminine. I don't know what's really happening, but may isang babae sa connection na to who's being manipulative. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw exactly to, Aries, or may isang babae na involved dito sa community na to. Or pwedeng ikaw to who's being very manipulative. Okay? Careful about your actions. Okay, pagdating sa pamilya, korporasyon, negosyo, trabaho, someone is being aggressive, masakit magsalita, because meron siyang parang hindi masunod ang gusto. And because of that, someone here is parang nagpapa-alpha at like trying to be controlling and manipulative just because hindi nasunod ang gusto. Okay? Your person. Okay, there's also parang naggagantihan kayo ng energy, no? The masculine in this connection is also like mirroring the energy of the feminine. Nagiging toxic kayo sa isa't isa. Meron ding energy of si masculine na parang sabi niya, grabe namang magsalita tong feminine na to, mananahimik na nga lang ako, at parang nag-internalize lang siya ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyari sa relasyon na to. Marami kang iniisip, Aries, ino-overthink mo yung sitwasyon, ina-analyze mo kung ano yung mga next best thing to do. In the next 3 months, until the end of September, I feel nandyan pa rin yung manipulation. You're trying to control each other. You're trying to, like, walang gustong magbigay, walang gustong mag-submit, and because of that, nag-aalfahan kayong dalawa. Pareho yung hindi nire-reveal yung cards nyo. Parehong hindi nyo nire-reveal yung intention. There is like a very strategic way of dapat manalo ako. At pareho kayong being strategic about each other. If this is like a business partnership, hindi nyo ine-express yung totoong intention nyo. At nagpapakiramdaman kayo kung sino yung manloloko, kung sino yung mapanlamang. At dapat parehong may intention kayo na dapat manalo kayo pareho eh. And hindi yun mangyayari unless mag-usap kayo ng maayos. Ganun din pagdating sa love partnership. You're not revealing your cards, your intention. May iniisip si feminine here if the masculine is being involved with a third party. Ngayon, si masculine, hindi rin niya nire-reveal yung totoo because, of course, mapapahamak siya. Pero may nakikita akong involvement here of a third party. May nagbubro na conflict, away, at kung ano yung situation sa bahay mukhang hindi maganda at may sabihin natin napipintong pagtatalo. Because parang this is not motivated by love, but parang control and power. Okay. But I feel hindi magpapatalo ang masculine sa connection na to. Dahil hindi pagkakasunduan. I feel may na-involve na third party. And pareho kayong nagiging strategic na makuha yung favorable situation. I don't feel good about this. Nag-aalfahan kayo. So parang nag-a-assert kayo ng control and dominance sa bawat isa. And I don't feel good about, kay business partnership pa to or love connection. If the relationship is like fueled by control, power, manipulation. I don't know with you, but I don't feel good about this. Parang naglalamangan kayo. I don't know exactly what's happening here, okay? You figure this out. And this would be the Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and